This course is all about pay per click on these varying platforms. So just like all the platforms, Google offers an ad option as well. Create an ad. So even if you don't have a local brick and mortar business via this Google My Business listing, just simply go to ads.google.com. Sign into your Gmail email address. Again, just start an account like any ad account. Input your payment settings, contact information, billing address. Then you'll be ready to create an ad. So with Google AdWords, you're creating keyword search-based ads for your business. These are going to be those ads that appear at the top of Google results for the keywords people input. So again, sign into your business Gmail account. You're on your campaigns dashboard, click campaigns, click the plus sign to create a new campaign, and then you'll have these options. Search network. Do you want your ad to appear at the top of search results for X keyword? So when someone types in social media marketing, I want CourseEnvy.com to appear there for my relevant social media marketing course. Display network. This is for ads you want to display across the internet. So if someone has a Google AdSense ad on their website, since you're running a Google AdWords campaign, your ad could display on their website. Google decides which sites are relevant according to people's search history. So for example, when you search for an item on Amazon, notice you see it in banners later as you're browsing the internet, right? That's a display network ad via these AdSense banner ads that people have on their websites. They're making money from AdSense, but those ads are coming from these AdWords ads. So people who make banner ads, basic search ads, and so on. The next option is Google Shopping. Do you have a product, such as that Shopify store? You can upload your product feed or link it to display your products at the top of the Google Shopping feed when people input relevant keywords. Or a video. Reach and engage viewers on YouTube. So you've all seen those YouTube video ads. The short little intro ad with a skip option, or the complete takeover ad that everybody has to watch, the full 30-second duration. Then there's the app option, driving app installs across all the Google networks. So if you have an app, this is a great option. So we're going to do the basic. We want to rank in those top 2 to 3 ads you see when you search in Google search. So you input the keyword, and as you can see, look at this entire above the fold. Ad, 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 ad. So these are all search network ads. So the creator of this ad used the keyword social media marketing. They're targeting people who search social media marketing. So let's do this quickly. I'll show you a search network. Right. So what's your goal? For me, I'm just trying to build my pixels, all my various pixels, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, so I can remarket to that traffic. So I just want to drive people to my website. Then I'll input my URL, click continue. I want to name my campaign. So I want to name it something relevant to the keywords or demographic I'm targeting. So for this one, I know I'll be targeting social media marketing and men aged 13 to 40. So where do I want my search ad to display? Obviously, within the Google search network. So when someone searches, it will appear here. So the display network option, this is just expanding our reach to those websites that have that AdSense banner. So it's not only visual banners, but these basic search ads as well. Personally, I see better results from just using the search network. I don't get the best click-through rates when people see my ad in a banner on a random site. When people are searching, they're looking for something specific, right? So I'll just unselect that. Scroll down. We can get specific on countries and territories. I'll just do basic, United States, English. Then what's my bidding strategy? I'll use the recommended. Our goal is to get people to click and go to our website, right? So maximize conversions. Daily budget. I like to split test at least 5 ads for that $20 to $25 per day. So I'll either input $4 or $5 for my daily budget per campaign. Start date, end date, we'll just let it run. We can add extensions if we want, such as our phone number. That's fine. Save and continue. Next is our ad group. So at the ad group level is where we're inputting these keywords. So in this first one, I'll name it SMM because I'm targeting social media marketing. So just from them crawling my website, they gave me some keyword suggestions. Facebook advertising, 12,000 search volume. Digital marketing course, 1,900 search volume. So we can add these and then test and see what gets clicks. So if people search that term and then click my ad, I'll know I want to create an ad around that keyword in the future. But let's start very narrowed down. Social media marketing. Just the keyword alone is a broad match. The keyword with quotes around it will be a phrase match. So a phrase match means if someone inputs the best social media marketing, that's a phrase match because the phrase is still in that long tail keyword. Now if I put brackets around social media marketing, that would be an exact match. I only want Google to target people who input social media marketing into the search bar. So depending on what type of product or service you're selling, you may find that your best click-through rate is for your exact search phrase or your exact brand. That's when you'll want to use those exact matches. But for the most part, in the beginning, I want to start broad and see what other keywords people are inputting and then learn from that and build ads off of that. So we can split test right away if we want, add another ad group and split test other keywords, right? But let's just start with one ad group. Save and continue. Now we're at the third level, create ads, new ad. I'll input my final URL. That's where I want people to click and land. Headline 1, headline 2. So as you can see, it appears right here. Social media marketing, mastery course. Next, we input our ad description. So obviously, try to use all 80 characters and include a call to action. So something even as simple as this, an action word, join, and then giving them the price. You might get a really high bounce rate if you don't give them the price. They land on your page and see the product is $1,000. If you give them the price up front, yes, you may be lowering your total clicks, but those clicks will be knowing of the price and more apt to purchase once they're in. So we scroll down. Obviously, I wouldn't just want them to go to a generic homepage. I want to send them to a landing page that is a sales funnel that will lead them through sales copy, describing my course, case studies, the benefits of my course, an option to buy it, more info about the course, how the course is on sale, and then a final option, join now. So we scroll down, we're done here. So again, I want to split test this at least 5 times. I want 5 variations to see maybe this ad copy isn't resonating with people who search that keyword social media marketing. Let's try 5 variations of this ad. But let's just start with this one and click save and continue. All right, so as you can see, we're in all campaigns. And one thing I just noticed, I forgot to do my target demographic, 13 to 40 and men. But that's fine. So we're back at all campaigns. Let's click that campaign. Now you can see we're selected. We'll click demographics because that's what we're changing. Click more, exclusions. We'll edit this. So what demographics did I want to exclude? I know men between 13 and 40 do best for my course. So we want to exclude female, unknown, and anyone over 40. And then we click save. So now back on the demographics tab for this ad, as you can see, we're only targeting that age and a gender of male. So go back to all campaigns and we'll start to watch this ad to see how it performs. We can see our campaign, we can see the impressions, interactions, or the clicks, and then the click rate, and we can look at it at each level. Overview level, at the ad group level, so maybe if we split some keywords there, and then at the ad level. So again, I like to have 5 ads. Then every week I check in on these, see which ads aren't performing, shut them off. I can click the specific campaign, take a look at the keywords for that campaign. How are they doing? What's the search volume, the clicks for that? Let's add some more keywords, and so on.